Hey, what's up, people? Um, I'm just pulling up back at home. Um, I'm about to go inside and make some mustard fried chicken. I got this idea from G Rich's channel. G Rich is kind of motivating me to put myself out there to test my skills. I'm about to head inside um, and try my hand at mustard fried chicken. If you're new to this channel, the cast iron skillet is usually the star of the show. Always using my cast iron. I'm gonna be frying these chicken wings and chicken legs, mustard fried. This is gonna be my breading right here. I'm not sponsored, but you know, breading is half the work. Now, where I'm from Charleston, South Carolina. You know, we usually make our own Hoppin' John, and we usually have it for New Year's, you know, for good luck. But I found some canned stuff that we're gonna have with our chicken today. Yeah, like I was saying earlier, you know, I value my time, and I'm taking my time back. But look, I don't have a lot of time today. You know, I got started late, so I gotta hurry up with this. So I'm gonna show you a few steps along the way. Now these Hoppin' Johns, they're coming along real nice. You know, maybe we had some nice food, but no rice today. No rice today. Turn this bad boy over. Oh no! Cut, cut. y'all know. Call it new school. Call it spoiled. I'm not spoiled, but I do not like cooking bone-in chicken. It's a process. You really gotta make sure it's fully cooked on the inside. Fully cooked. As pretty as it looks on the outside, it could be like that gush of gum. Look at the blood coming out. So I'm gonna give it a few more minutes, check it again, and you should be Gucci. Alright, that's what they look like so far. Now to put some wings in. Now we got the wings in there too. Look pretty good. Now we got some hush puppies. Almost done.